Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on Leonardo AI, a dynamic online tool for creating and modifying AI-generated images. This versatile tool presents a viable alternative to Midjourney and other AI image generation tools currently available on the market, and offers a freemium account so you can take it for a test drive without any money out of your pocket. With that said, in this video we'll cover how to start using Leonardo AI, from signing up to creating some eye-catching AI-generated imagery. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll go ahead and log into the Leonardo AI website. If you don't have an account set up yet, you can sign up using your Apple, Google, or Microsoft account. Or you can go old school and just use your email to get started.
Yes! That's awesome!
Once you're signed in and you fill in a few really quick details needed for your account, you will land on the home page, which showcases the featured AI models for image generation, as well as some of the newest creations from the Leonardo AI community. It's probably a good idea for you to explore the community feed a bit as you are getting your feet wet to get an idea of the vast array of graphics and styles that you will be able to create with the Leonardo AI platform. This section also allows you to replicate prompts, use existing images as a basis for new creations, or download any image for personal use, all of which are royalty-free and cleared for commercial purposes. Also, one other interesting feature Leonardo AI includes is the ability to add motion to still imagery. If you click this button here, it will open up a dialog window where you will be able to select how much or how little of a movement effect you would like to add, which can really help bring some life and add some dynamism to your still imagery. And without going too much further down this rabbit hole, I just wanted to show this quick example of what the process entails and what the end result might look like. You can then head over to your personal feed to access all of your own creations. And since I started a new account, there isn't anything here. But once you start creating in Leonardo, this is where all your assets will live, making it easy to go in and access any of the imagery you need whenever you need it. You should also take a few minutes to explore the fine-tuned models section. This is basically an extensive list of prefabricated AI algorithms specifically designed for creating certain types of images. These include custom models that are either trained by the Leonardo team or developed collaboratively by the community. We won't be getting into model training in this video since it is a paid feature, but I just wanted to point out that this is available within Leonardo AI if you do have a paid account. You can access these tools by going to the Training and Dataset section. Okay, so with all that said, at its core, Leonardo AI provides three primary functionalities. It enables AI image generation, where you are able to create images from scratch utilizing text-based prompts. It offers an AI canvas, where you can manipulate and edit photos and images. And it has a texture generation feature that allows you to develop textures suitable for 3D models, also using text-based prompts. In today's tutorial, we are going to focus specifically on the AI image generation and editing aspects of Leonardo. And so when we click into the image generation section, it brings us over to a new workspace that provides us with a prompt line at the top of the screen. It also gives us various support tools on the left side of our screen and underneath our prompt entry line. So in the most basic of terms, what you can do here is enter what you envision you want your image to be in the prompt line, and then if you wanted to test this thing out, you could go ahead and press Generate to create a couple of versions of that image. This process utilizes a tokening system and allocates 150 tokens per day to users on the free plan. Those on paid plans will have access to additional token allocations and enhanced capabilities like Photoreal, which provides more photorealistic imagery, Leonardo Alchemy, which enables higher fidelity image generation, and Prompt Magic, which allows for more accurate prompt adherence by the AI system. Although you may get access to limited trials of these features when you first sign up. Over here on the left toolbar, you can adjust the image dimensions to your preference, though certain models are trained on specific dimensions, so altering the default settings could affect the image quality. You can also change the setting of the guidance scale to determine how strictly the AI adheres to your prompt or how much leeway you would like to give it to color outside the lines of the prompt. When composing a prompt, clearly outline the main subject, setting, and background, and enrich your description with elements such as color, atmosphere, and mood. The negative prompt feature is useful for excluding unwanted elements. Then when I click the Generate button again, you can see my newly created images are a bit more detailed and specific to the prompt that was entered. You can click into each image you generate to get a closer look at it, download it, copy it to the clipboard, or even start editing it. Another cool feature Leonardo AI allows for is image-to-image guidance. You can click into the Image Guidance tab here and upload a photo that you would like to use as a guide. Then, you can toggle how much weight you would like the AI to place on rendering your image from the image you uploaded. And you can see, based on the amount of weight I put on the image guidance scale, my images are close to the original but have some subtle differences. Some other features that can help you along in your image generation process include AI assistance for generating more dynamic prompts. The idea here is that you can enter a basic prompt idea, and the AI engine will refine that into more detailed prompt ideas that you can consider using or sampling from to create your image. Also, in the row above, you will see a drop-down menu that allows you to select from some of the most commonly used AI models, which you can choose from to ensure you are allocating the best models for the types of images you are creating. And from the drop-down next to it, you can choose what graphical style you would like to see the image generated in. And also, something that has been recently added is the ability to add what Leonardo calls elements to your image generation. These are essentially additional styling traits that you can apply to the image. You can choose up to 4 of these elements and add weighting to each of them. The AI will assimilate and merge those styles based on the weights you assign to create your image in the exact hybrid style you are looking for. For broader image alterations, you can switch into the AI canvas. When you first enter the canvas editor, you will see it is blank. What you can do from here is go ahead and upload an image from your previous image generations, or you can choose to upload one from your computer. You can even work with multiple images on the canvas at once.
Utah, give me 2.
You can click to drag images around the surface of the canvas. You can choose the Select tool on the side to allow you to select any image. You can click and drag the image or resize using the selector nodes. There is also a node at the top of the image that allows you to rotate and adjust the angle of the image as needed. And you can hold the Control or Command key and scroll up or down to zoom in or out on the screen. You can also hold the spacebar key and drag the surface of the screen if you would like to change the viewing area. To remove any image from your canvas, just select it and hit the Delete or Backspace key. There are also a couple other quick features I'd like to show you which allow you to further customize and enhance your images. If you hit the Sketch option on the sidebar, it allows you to draw on your image. You are able to select whatever marker size and color you would like. You can also select the text option to click and type text over top your image. You can adjust the font, style, color, and size of your text using the controls at the top of the screen. You can also leverage the power of Leonardo AI to help edit your images. You will see on the screen that there is a square editing zone on the canvas. This is the area where the AI editing model will be applied. You can click to drag and drop it wherever you need it on the screen. Then you will select the masking tool and paint over the area where you would like the AI to make modifications while still preserving the integrity of the image at the same time. Then you will input your prompt at the bottom and then hit generate to create your updated image. If the result is not to your liking using the mask feature, you can erase the area entirely and try again. Sometimes the AI will produce better results this way. However, some trial and error is to be expected when working with AI image generation tools. Sometimes you have to play around with it and run it a couple of times to get the exact result you are looking for. And then once your piece is finalized, you can download your artwork in PNG format with the click of a button. And just 2 other quick features I wanted to touch on that aren't necessarily essential to get started using Leonardo, but they are available and may be of interest to some of you. The first is the real-time image generation feature. This tool basically allows you to type your prompt and start to see the engine work to create your image in real time. You can toggle the intensity levels of different effects and select different graphical styles to further customize and refine your work. These images are, however, more limited in the amount of customizations you can apply and are generally lower quality than what you can create with the standard image generation tool. The other feature is the Image Upscaler tool. If you want to enhance the quality of an image or add another layer of polish to your image, you can try out the Image Upscaler tool. You'll select your image, toggle a few basic settings on the left panel, add additional prompting if you would like, and then hit the Upscale button. And you can see here in the end, it shows you the before and after of your image so you can see exactly how your image was changed from the original. And then once you're happy with the work, you can download and use the image as needed. Okay, so that's pretty much all you need to get started using Leonardo AI. Thank you for joining us in this walkthrough. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, subscribe to our channel for ongoing news, tutorials, and case studies, and comment below to let us know what you guys think about Leonardo AI. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Futurist Empire channel.